Swiss companies will be required to regularly report on non-financial issues, including the areas of environment, social and human rights, as well as the fight against corruption. Public interest companies that have either 500 full-time positions or 20 million francs in assets and/or 40 million francs in sales will be affected. Companies trading or processing minerals and metals from conflict areas and where child labor may be an issue will have additional due diligence and reporting obligations. Companies will be required to report regularly on non-financial issues in the area of environmental concerns, social and employee matters, respect for human rights, and combating corruption and bribery. Companies trading or processing minerals and metals will need to implement a risk management system across their supply chain and publicly disclose compliance with their due diligence obligations. Define or update their internal processes. Implement dependency and critical assessments of subsidiaries and suppliers. Define reporting requirements for non-financial related areas. Align due diligence and reporting processes to existing frameworks. Assess and define tools to support ongoing reporting and monitoring. Do not hesitate to reach out to us to understand how and when the parliamentary counterproposal will impact your company.